Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 1-bath, first floor apartment in Northumberland Park, North Riding, situated on Dexter Road, just a stone's throw away from Northland Square and Deco Park. And it is tiled throughout, has no carpets, one full bathroom, you've got one carport, plenty of covered space. So come on right in and have a look. So welcome to this first floor 2-bed 1-bath in Northumberland Park. Northumberland Park is a 2-minute drive to Malibongwe Drive, making it a quick access to the N1 and N14 and Lanseria Airport. So now to the apartment. So as you can see, it's a modern kitchen, well taken care of, in a very good condition. And you've got yourself an extractor fan there, plenty of covered space as well, the stove, and an oven. So the kitchen also does have a double sink to your right here, as you can see, more cupboard space and space for one under counter appliance. You also have space for a double door fridge and you've got yourself a pantry there. So each and every unit in this complex is equipped with a prepaid electricity meter, as you can see here. So it's an open plan design with the kitchen leading onto the lounge, and the lounge leads out to the balcony with nice views of Isabel Estate there. So as you can see, it's nice and spacious, 61 square meters in total. The kitchen also does have space for a breakfast bar there, where you can have your bar stools. And now to the balcony. Like I mentioned, you've got nice views of Isabel Estate there, which is the complex next door. And yeah, you can use this balcony to relax and enjoy the views. So back to the apartment, you've got yourself some extra cupboard space there. It's up to you what you use it for. And now on to the first bedroom. It has been tiled, so the entire apartment has been tiled throughout, and you've got yourself some nice built-in cupboards there. No carpets at all. Previous carpets have been removed by the owner and replaced with these tiles. Now on to the bathroom. It is a full bathroom. Here you've got yourself a vanity mirror, vanity basin with some cupboard space underneath the basin. To the left there you have a shower. And on the right side of the bathroom you've got a bathtub, so it's a full bath equipped with the bathtub and a shower. Nicely taken care of, tiled from top to bottom. So now to the main bedroom. So it has also been tiled, carpets have been removed. Difference between this one and the other one is this one has 2 plugs, that one has 1, and you also have built-in cupboards like you have in the other room as well. Nicely sized unit, 61 square meters in total, and you've got 1 carport. So Northumberland Park also is a 5-minute drive to Checkers, Pick and Pay, Spa, plenty of gyms around. So if this is what you're looking for, just click on the link below to schedule your private viewing.